Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will teach you how to get Instagram threads. So if you want to use this application and you don't know how you can do it, watch this video till the end. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the threads and Instagram. Once you will do it, on the third one you will get this application, threads and Instagram application. So simply open it and download it on your device. Once you will download it on your device, simply you can sign up on it by connecting it with your Instagram. So if you don't know how to sign up on it, you can view my video. You will get the video in the card section. So once you will do it, simply open it, and right here you will see this type of the interface. So from here you can upload your threads, you can share your thoughts right here. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.